Hi YouTube and welcome to my channel. This is Who What Why 404 and today I'm coming to you with an unboxing of an item I picked up from Coach, and this is from the Coach Outlet online sale that they had last week. I think it went live last Thursday, and thanks to His Forever Held and Treasured, I watched her video and that reminded me that the sale was going on. And I also looked at Bag Hound's video, and she went on the reserve section, which I didn't know that there was a such section on the website, and that's where I found this bag in the reserve section. So I need your guys' help on this bag, and I'll explain it as I open it. So this bag I had actually had my eye on, not this particular bag, but this style of bag. I had my eye on it. So when I saw it on the reserve section of the Coach Outlet, I decided to go ahead and pick it up. Now, one thing I can say, I'm kind of disappointed that Coach didn't put this in a box. It's just in a bag. But yeah, so when I picked it up I ordered it from the online sale, and then I went and checked some reviews. I didn't see any YouTube videos on it, but I did see some reviews from Macy's. So apparently Macy's had this bag for sale. And some of the reviews actually said that they sent the bag back because the color wasn't what it looked like online as it was in person. So let me show you, and we're actually looking at this together because I have no idea. I'm kind of scared at the color. So this is the bag. This is the Parker, and it is in the color metallic graphite. So let me take it out the plastic. So when I looked at it online, the bag appeared to be like a two-tone color, and I can kind of see what people were talking about. So it's not a two-toned color. It's actually all one color, and it's a dark metallic. I don't know if you guys can see. It's a dark metallic. And I can smell the Coach leather. So this is the front, and it has the turn lock, and this is in that like pewter color. Kind of getting the shadow. The sun is setting, but it's a pewter color. The chain is a pewter color, and it has this pocket on the back. Now on the picture online, and I'll insert a picture so you guys can see. On the picture online, it showed the bag as being kind of maybe darker up here and then lighter down here, but it's actually all one color. So this is the interior, and this is that, I guess, suede or microfiber suede. I'm not sure exactly. So let me take this tissue out. So I guess you guys pretty much know what the Parker, this is the dust bag and the care booklet. So you guys pretty much know what the Parker looks like. I guess this is a regular, I don't know, it says Parker, I don't know. This is the tag information for it. You can see. And then this is what was on the bag here. So it's all one color. What do you guys think? This is the chain. As you can tell, it's that dark pewter colored chain. It has Coach, and all this is pewter as well. This is what it looks like on the shoulder. And the true test is going to be this. Can I wear it crossbody style? So yeah, you can wear it crossbody. This is the side. This is the Coach tag, which is also in that pewter. It's like a pebbled pewter color. Let me know what you guys think. I was thinking this was going to be like a two-tone bag, but it's all kind of metallic color. It looks like metallic with a hint of green. I'll take a picture of it outside so you guys can get the true feel of the color. I like the style of the bag. I'm just not sure about the color. It's not what I was expecting. So let me know. Oh, and the price. Wait a minute. Did they put a receipt in here? They just put a return label. So I think the total price, which is not on here. All right, so they don't give you guys a receipt. No receipt, no box. Okay, Coach. Is that how it goes with the online outlet? Let me know, because like I said, I didn't get a box and I don't have a receipt. I just have a return label. So yeah, I think I paid $154, including shipping and tax, for this, and it was originally $350. So I saved about $200, give or take. So let me know what you guys think. Is this a keeper or not? Leave it in the comment section down below. And until the next time, see you guys later.